Model, 2008 Ford Transit 145 T350l rear-wheel drive. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 61,550. MOT, the 16th of February 2025. Engine, 2261 cc TDCI 145 PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, this will run, but engine is knocking, and there is a hole in the sump weary. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119